Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on the theme Punctuality, a Golden Rule for Students. The sun rises and sets on time every day. All seasons of the year occurs one by one. Each day has its standard time of day and night. See, the beauty and security of the universe lies in the fact that all natural things take place on time, isn't it? Well, heartiest morning to one and all present here. My name is Manika from class 8, standing here to present today's morning assembly. Dear friends, to spend a better life, the most important golden rule is punctuality. Be punctual means to reach somewhere on time or complete work on time. Dear friends, we must learn to be punctual and disciplined for a glorified future. Let us seek God's blessings first and start today's assembly. Everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, taking pledge every day reminds us of our responsibilities and duties we have towards our country. I request to Priyanka from class 8 to come up on the stage and lead us with the pledge. Thank you, Priyanka. Dear friends, proper use of time for development journey is very important. To get success and prosperity in every sphere of life, it is important to deal with every task on time. And I would like to invite Shaurya to inspire us with today's thought. Good morning to all. My name is Shaurya. Thought of the day is punctuality is a quality the need of which is bound up with social cooperation. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Shaurya. Dear friends, if I talk about army personnel, they live a dignified life because of their punctuality and dedication towards their duties. Similarly, if a person is punctual in doing his job, he will be respected in the workplace. No doubt that getting things done on time is an attractive and a beautiful habit that opens the door to victory. Let us listen more about how punctuality is a golden rule for us, and I would like to call upon stage Sanaya from class 8 to deliver a speech. And thank you so much, Sanaya. Punctuality makes us disciplined, teaches us the essence of time, and makes us aware of its value. It also gives us the chance to become successful in life. If we do not understand the value of time, we can never be successful in our life. Why it's important to understand the value of time? Let's understand it with a short story, and I am calling on stage Shreya from class 8 to tell a story. Thank you very much, Shreya. Learning new words is a key component to memory enhancement. We must try to learn as many new words as possible, and with this, let us move towards word of the day. For this, I would like to invite on stage Barkha from class 9. Good morning, everyone. My name is Barkha. Word of the day is adroitness, which means having or showing skill, cleverness, or resourcefulness in handling situations. Synonyms of adroitness are ability, dexterity, and antonyms are inability and ignorance. I'm using this word in a sentence. She directs the students with the adroitness many times. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you for enhancing our vocabulary. Now we are at the end of today's assembly. Let us sing Pride of Our Country, that is our national anthem.